afternoon. Welcome to our channel, It's My Life Philippines. It's Friday afternoon. We're here in Walking Street, Fields Avenue, and we're gonna walk in Walking Street with Mr. Leon, and we're going to meet our friend from Australia. His name is David. So let's go.
Also, Georgi maybe come. Our friend David from Australia arrived Philippines. When you arrived?
4 days ago.
4 days ago.
Yeah. I've been here 4 days to get settled in. I'm staying at the Central Park Hotel.
Again, Central Park Hotel.
Yes.
It's nice hotel.
Very nice hotel. It's central to everything. A 4-minute walk. No need to catch trike. No need to catch Grab. So very convenient.
Yeah. Very good location. And comfortable rooms.
Very clean. Highly recommend the rooms. Reasonable priced.
How much you pay one day?
About 120 Australian dollars.
20 Australian dollars?
120.
120 Australian dollars you pay.
About for just 3,800 pesos per night.
Okay.
But location, can't complain.
Yeah, it's very good.
And they had in the top, like rooftop.
The rooftop is beautiful.
Yes, it's good there.
Maybe we walk little because music here.
Yep.
You know, we always take video about 5.
Yes, that's right.
Because so many girls go to the work.
Yeah. It's a good time to look.
Yes. Not need go to inside the bar.
It's cheaper.
Yeah. Free.
Yeah. No lady
free.
drinks.
Yeah.
Lady drinks. Nice one.
Two friends go here also, right?
And Georgi also soon come back. Come to Walking Street.
Yeah, that's okay. I'd like to meet Yogi. So I'd like to meet him first time.
How's your day?
Okay.
How's your day?
It's good. I actually had a lazy day. I didn't do anything. We had breakfast and a little bit of a lunch. My wife went shopping. And she buy all the fruit and everything. And they're going to a beach resort. So they're going to buy all the food. They're going to do a barbecue. Everything. Yeah. There's 17 of them.
17.
Yeah. They're getting a big bus.
Shairavon Boca Juice.
Oh, hang on.
Boca Juice. Boca Juice.
No. I had some cranberry juice. Sarah, I'll buy a couple of drinks. Start filming. I have a habit of walking fast too. Like yogi. You can walk faster. It's around here. There's a cafe. It's got tables and chairs. You can sit outside.
But he will go here, right?
Yes.
Yeah, he'll come to the walking track.
But you
I might try this one.
It's Vietnamese restaurant.
Yeah. We have a lot in Australia. A lot of Vietnamese, yeah. I like the food here. Yeah. That I like. The chicken one I like. Pad Thai. Pad Thai. And I got the spring rolls. How about here?
Okay.
Yeah? Yeah,
It's
sit down
okay.
here. Yeah.
right?
Mhm.
What do you want to see? Here?
Thank you. Don't worry, we're not going anywhere.
Bye.
Hi, Georgi. One subscriber from Australia, David. He our friend. He already second time been in we meet second time. He want to see you personal.
Yes.
And we can sit in the gossip cafe. Let's go. We try to sit in Kokomas, but the Kokomas full.
are you, Yogi? Grab a seat. Nice to meet you. You want a drink? No, no, I look after it. What do you want to drink? What? I look after you. What do you want to drink? What do you like? Green tea? Green tea? Yeah.
Okay.
A green tea, please. You want something to eat? Snack?
Okay. Green tea.
Thank you. Nice to meet you. I'm David. I've been watching on YouTube. I was here.
I will take video a little bit and later again sit with our friends. Because now so many girls go to work.
케이크도 같이 하나 보다.
Hi.
Hi guys, we're here in Gossip Restaurant here in Walking Street inside Walking Street, and we just met our friend from Australia, Mr. David, and also Georgia.
Georgi.
Georgia. Thank you for watching guys. Please subscribe. Salamat.